Hello, everyone, and welcome to our another LinkedIn episode about how do you deactivate or delete your LinkedIn account. I'm Marie, the CEO and founder of Marie Olivier Ltd, the leadership transformational company where we create and upgrade personal brands and also shift your mindset towards the high performance through the strategy and the health. So let's take a look at this question. How do you deactivate or delete your LinkedIn account? Thinking of taking a break from LinkedIn or leaving for good? That's all right. Because whether you are switching careers, simplifying your digital life, or just want a fresh start, LinkedIn gives you two main options: temporarily hibernate your account or permanently delete it. So let's take a look at what each option means and how to do it and what you should keep in mind before pulling the plug. So these are the two options: deactivation versus deletion. So hibernate mode, also known as temporary, it means that your profile becomes invisible to others. It also means that you can reactivate it anytime just by logging in back. And also, it's useful if you are taking a career break or a digital detox. So then you go for the hibernate mode, aka temporary. Then we have the delete, aka permanent. This completely removes your profile, connections, messages, and endorsements, everything what you have built. You will also lose all of your data unless you download it beforehand. And the last but not least, good to know about this permanent deletion is you must create a new account in case you change your mind later. So just for your information, because you will not be able to recover it. So here are the steps how you can delete your account. So you go to your account, you click on your me icon, then go to the settings and the privacy. We will also then go to account preferences as it lands, and then we will look for the account manager. So, and here we are, where we can choose between the hibernate account or close account. And then you just choose whatever option you want to go with. So, important to note, in hibernate mode, you won't receive LinkedIn notifications and others won't be able to view your profile or also to message you. So, just for your information. What are the best practices and mistakes to avoid in this is that first we will start with best practices. So first, you should download your LinkedIn data before deleting your account, because this includes your connections, messages, and profile history. Then the second, notify the key contacts if you are stepping away temporarily, especially recruiters or business leads. Just let them know, to keep them around and give them the phone number or whatever other thing you want to do next. And the third is use hibernate if you are unsure or just need a break. It's flexible and also you can get back your profile whenever you want. So what are the mistakes to avoid and a lot of people do? So deleting your account without backing up important messages or connections is just really beginner's mistake. Um, Assuming hibernation removes all of your content, nope, it only hides it. And the third is forgetting to unlink third party apps or services tied to your LinkedIn before actually closing the account. So if you don't want to pay more bills, just, do also these things. And that's it. So we just answered the question: how do you deactivate or delete your LinkedIn account? If you want to know more about the LinkedIn tips, then visit mariolevy.com and go to the articles where I share daily tips about LinkedIn and beyond. And I will be looking forward to seeing you next time. I'm Marie, the CEO and founder of Marie Olivier Ltd, the leadership transformational company for entrepreneurs, leaders, and founders, where we upgrade and create personal brands and also shift your mindset. So hit the subscribe, hit the notification button here on YouTube, like our article, and also connect with me on the LinkedIn and write me that you're coming from this episode, and you will receive a really cool bonus here on LinkedIn. So see you next time.